Hey yo, what is poppin', everybody? Welcome back to another vlog, another video. Yeah, just welcome back. It's been a little bit. I skipped Friday's upload. I just forgot. Sorry about it. But I'm still going. What is it? What was I gonna do today? Oh, there's a giant soft shell in that canal. Okay, moving on. I was gonna build a birdhouse today. Yeah, I don't know why, but I do know that I want to do it because I got nothing else to do. So I might as well, you know? Let's just send it. Let's try build a birdhouse. First of all, though, I need my circular saw because I don't have any other way to cut wood. So let's go. Let's get that. Oh, by the way, we built this new dock, which is going to be the new dog washing area. Super nice. We're actually going to use some of this material, I think, for the roof because it's going to look pretty cool. We got our power hooked up right there. We're going to plug it into the circular saw and use some reclaimed wood because I don't want to waste, you know? We're gonna do this waste free. So we're just gonna use reclaimed materials. So let's get to work. Alright, so we got these two mounted. I can't speak. I gotta put the back and the front on, and I gotta add a roof. It's already looking pretty good. Alright, so I cut one of the back pieces out. Now I'm gonna cut another piece exactly like it, and then I'm gonna screw them both on. And we're gonna have our front and back panels. Front panel screwed in, time for the back. Alright, so now we got our front and back screwed in. It's now time for the roof. We got our bottom. This thing's looking pretty good, actually. I'm gonna paint all of this too, I think. I don't know, we'll see. Looks pretty good to me right now. Let's keep going. Alright, so there was a little intermission in the building process. My friend had a slider that got too big for her tank, and she didn't know what to do with him. So she brought him here. He's gonna have a good home with Edgar. Edgar, you better be nice to him. Yeah, Edgar's a sweetie. He won't do anything. But yeah, this is a little new, well, not baby, juvenile slider. Just hanging out right down there. You guys should be fine. If I see that he's getting picked on by Edgar or anything, I'll move him to either this tank or that tank. Either way, he'll be fine here. None of the fish in here could actually damage him at all or do anything really to him. He's way too big. Even the one fish I would be worried about is the, oh, he's not under here. Of course he's not, but it's the hybrid catfish, but his mouth is about half the size of the baby turtle, so that turtle should do just fine in here. I'll show you guys, oh, there's the hybrid. He's right over there. I'll show you guys updates every once in a while on him and Edgar. These guys are true OGs. All right, let's get back to work. Alright, so I drilled out like an entrance hole and a little hole where I could put like a pencil or something to stick out of there so the birds have an area where they can grab on before going in. But this actually turned out pretty good. I think I'm gonna paint it though. We'll see. Alright, so the birdhouse is painted now. We got the darker on the roof. There's some mistakes, but it's alright. It's gonna be up in the tree, so we won't really see that. But yeah, it's all painted. It's all white on the sides. This thing actually came out looking pretty good. I'm surprised it looks this good, but alright. Time to put it up. Alright, so there we go. We got it up there. We got everything painted. That looks pretty good. It's actually a pretty decent size. It's not too small. I feel like birds are going to enjoy that for sure. Especially this tree and this tree are always crowded with birds. And also, sorry about the wind. It's kind of just happening. But yeah, these two trees are usually crowded with birds, which means this should see some it should see some birds pretty soon, hopefully. Especially right now because it's spring. So birds are nesting. Hopefully we see some birds. This looks pretty cool. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to leave a like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell-like notification icon to be notified of when I make more videos. And yeah, that's my birdhouse. I got bored during quarantine, so that's what we made. Also, I'm still full of paint. Great. But I hope you guys enjoyed. Peace.